Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to fix your screen flickering while watching Netflix. Now if you are able to if you're facing this problem, so I'll show you how you can fix that and enjoy your Netflix easily. First of all, open up Netflix inside your browser or whatever you have installed. I'm using Chrome right now, so if you are using any other browser, so just go to your Netflix account, and once you have logged in, now like step 1, or you can say the first thing that you need to do is just click on this cookies and cache data or the site information button. Just click on it and you will see like these two options: cookies and site data and site setting. Just first of all open cookies and site data, manage on device site data, and once you open it, just delete everything related to the Netflix. Click on done, and once you have click on done, again click on this and go to site information, reset permissions, delete data. And once you have deleted everything linked to the Netflix, just refresh and try to log in with your account again, and hopefully after that your issue will be like solved. But let's say that you're still able to see the or facing the problem, just right click or click on these three buttons, go inside the settings. Let me just find settings, and once you are inside the settings of your Chrome, so make sure to go to about Chrome and make sure that you're using the latest version. And if you're using the latest version, hopefully your issue will be fixed. Now the third thing, go to systems and make sure that you have turned on use graphics acceleration when available. Now this can happen due to like this option as well. If it is turned off, make sure to turn it on and restart your Chrome once, and after that hopefully your issue will be fixed and you can enjoy your Netflix. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do that.